today it's EAS alarm in from this region. Next, this is Pona EAS alarm means he have COVID-19 and he have monkey impacts. He likes mostly he earthquake. And next EAS alarm over that region is Tamna. Tamna means he have EAS alarm from tornado. He most likely like he most likely like from tornado that spawned. Next map. EAS alarm. EAS alarm of field ties. Field ties he known as EAS alarm from dust devil tornado and water spout of lake. He have water spout on lake. He have lake like this, and he have known he have average of EF5, and he have EF he have EF8 of the size of tornado and the of the hypernado. Next map. Ashdown fall region means if he hit a hurricane, he have landslide, flood, tornado, and hurricane falling as in 2025 January 1. Next is alarm means Calorana. Calorana is a biggest city in the world, and he have city in his EAS alarm. The earthquake. If you hear the phone, that EAS alarm is just point of E8. It's just point of 9.0 earthquake of average. The 2022 average earthquake is whole city. HOL is SITY. As down he have four statue, and he most like he have EAS alarm from tornado that he hit the violin. Next map. Next EAS alarm is South Kalana. Wait guys. Now this is of EAS alarm is Thomas region is a popular state. He has popular population, and he EAS alarm mega tsunami. That's the truck, and he hit over this city and the RIP people. And this is most likely biggest tsunami. He like level 5 of tsunami. Looks like mega tsunami. Next EAS alarm. Next EAS alarm is Hamza region means it have biggest region than like from region than Tugueguero city, and he most likely he have EAS alarm from is disturbance 3, and he have most likely in this second of this and the first next Next EAS alarm is Florida. Wait, guys. Next EAS alarm is Hurricane Milton. Hurricane Milton's monster storm category 5, and he landfall from the island from the island here. And the broadcast of the Milton, he have the tornado, he have EF, he wants to size, he like mostly the states, and most likely he hit the Milton from the hurricane. The Milton truck just looks like this, and he will truck to the Milton and it lands full. But next EAS alarm. This is Alabama. Alabama. He have most likely the 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 tornado. The the deadliest tornado is the average of EF3. He most likely hit him. Next EAS alarm. But I don't have any time. It's the last EAS alarm. The EAS alarm is Homahona. Homahona region means he have hit the Hurricane Loma, and he direct this, and he hit overway, and he hit the Hatter. Arizona wants not to try this hurricane. And next video will coming soon on November 6th, and this is how originate by Kingdom of the American Federation. Next video is telling the popular population in the region of mine. Thank you guys for 94 subscriber. I met you. It's now almost 100 subscriber. Bye guys.